And for dogs, those years add up faster than humans. The runs become more of a fast-paced trot. The joints may hurt, but the look of happiness is easy to spot in a dog's aged eyes, like the lines in the face of a sunned and aged old man.
She is definitely special.
India has passed her more sprightly days.
She was at home the minute she got here.
But is likely yet to see her most loved.
I knew from the minute I saw her that she had a special personality.
Passed over and dropped off at the shelter.
How anybody could drop her off and leave her, I have no idea.
It was to make room for a new puppy.
And for anybody to say that animals don't know, I think the emptiness she had to have felt, you know, being in one home for 10 years and losing her home.
But old souls sometimes meet a match with a younger heart.
And I immediately just kind of laid down with her to get her used to me, and she put her paw on my leg. And it was just kind of love at first sight. Can you shake?
Truthfully, India was a hit on Facebook. Hundreds applied to take the 11-year-old in, but fate charted the doggy trail to the Mumpower household.
Even to be able to give her 2 years of just having a loving, good home, that means more to me than anything. First of all, I just can't imagine, you know, ever giving away such a beautiful soul. This dog has a heart, you know.
Let's go inside. Ditto, says India.
She kind of got left, you know, she kind of got abandoned, and the most important part to me is even if she has 1 year, 2 years, or 5 years from now, that I give her, you know, something that will make her happy for those remaining days.
Happiness is a home to grow old in, and be loved and very, very treasured. Come here.
Babies? And India shares her new home with an older cat as well that decided to hide while we were there, but we're assured they get along just great.